3 ways to set up the network for AiXun devices. 1. Set up through AiXun Assistant on WeChat mini program. Select Wi-Fi in the settings interface of the device. Select Set Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code in WeChat. Click Product Info. Select AiXun Assistant. Find the serial number of the device in the settings interface of it. Find the corresponding serial number on AiXun Assistant. Click Connect. Select the Wi-Fi to be connected and enter the password. Click Send. Connect to Wi-Fi successfully. 2. Connect to computer and set up through Wi-Fi list on AiXun platform. Connect the device to the computer with a Type-C cable. Download AiXun software from AiXun official website. Open AiXun platform. Select Wi-Fi. Note, in order to set up network through computer, the computer is required to support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Select the Wi-Fi to be connected in the Wi-Fi list. Click Connect. Enter password. Connect to Wi-Fi successfully. 3. Connect to computer and set up through Bluetooth on AiXun platform. Select Bluetooth below the Wi-Fi list. Find the device name. Enter Wi-Fi password. Connect to Wi-Fi successfully.